This GuliKit Hall Effect joystick module is a drop-in replacement tailored for the Steam Deck OLED, matching the original size while upgrading the internal technology. The electromagnetic Hall Effect sensors virtually eliminate stick drift and offer far greater long-term reliability than traditional potentiometer-based sticks. Installation is straightforward because the module reuses the stock connector and screw points, so you can swap both thumbsticks without any soldering or special tools. Touch sensing support is preserved, so the joysticks still work seamlessly with the Steam Deck OLED's built-in trackpad-style features and interface cues. A simple onboard calibration button lets you quickly recenter the sticks and fine-tune response, which helps reduce dead zones for more precise control in demanding games. Included caps and thoughtful design details make the module feel close to factory while delivering smoother movement and a noticeably more responsive aiming experience.